Hello, my students, and welcome back to my messy office. Sorry you have to see this background. I can't figure out how to cover it up somehow. Anyway, just wanted to say hi and check in with you guys and hope everything is going well with you this week. We do have some new assignments starting for this coming week that I see that several of you have already got started. If you have questions, again, please email me. I am emailing people back really quickly and able to help you out if you need help. Um, I also want to make sure that I've had a couple questions from students about the enrichment materials, and I do want to clarify that those are optional. If that's not something that you have materials to do, or it's not something that you are able to do just for other reasons at home, please don't feel like you're required to do that. Those are just for fun. This one that Miss Smith put together for this week is a pretty just kind of a fun activity to do, and you get to actually eat the igneous rock cookies that you make afterwards. So if you want to do it, you can, but you don't have to. So wanted to clarify that. I'm also going to include a link for a survey that I'd like you to fill out and submit. This is information that the school needs, and it would be good if you can if you can just take a few minutes to, just type that up really quick. And it's not a big deal, simple, easy thing. Again, I hope you guys are all doing well. Everybody's staying safe and healthy. And I know being at home for so long is tough and boring. Try and look at some fun videos online, learn some more science things, pick out things you're interested in and pursue them. You've got your computers at home, so you should be able to hopefully hop on a hotspot and have a peek at some stuff. Again, make sure you contact me if you have questions, or if you just want to shoot me a note, that's totally fine too. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care. Bye bye.